children, today we're going to be doing an experiment. Actually, we're doing two experiments in one. We're going to be learning with the reaction, what happens when we mix baking soda and vinegar together. And we're also going to be doing a color experiment. Actually, it's going to be a hidden color experiment. So, I laid out 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my baking soda, and this is vinegar. I had a very big jar of vinegar, but it was too big. I didn't want to use that. I have my food coloring, and I also have a measuring spoon. So first, I'm going to take the food coloring, and I'm going to put a couple of drops in each cup. Each color. Then I'm going to hide the color with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So I can't see the color anymore. Okay. Now, I wonder what's going to happen when we pour vinegar over the baking soda. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Let's try this one again. See the colors coming out? That is so cool. So we have red, blue, yellow, and green. I wonder what would happen if we mixed the blue with the yellow. Do you know what would happen? Let's try. Oh, wow! It turned color. I mixed the blue and the yellow and it turned green. What color is this? What would happen if we mixed the blue with the red? Let's see. Is there a different color here? Let's see. I don't think it turned. Let me see. Let me put a little bit more red. Let's see what happens. Whoop, too much. Wow. I don't know if you can tell, but on the bottom it turned colors. A very deep purple. So as you can see, when I poured the vinegar into the baking soda, it exploded. And the colors came out. Oh, you can see the purple. I hope you have fun with this project at home, children.